This video talks about the switch on and off of Domino DX360i lasers. The main power line is connected before it turns on. When the power connection is confirmed, the main power switch will be closed and the key will not be rotated for the time being, pending approximately 20 seconds for the system. When the system enters the login interface, you move the key to the right, enter the administrator password and log in. Select the information you want to print. Click the Start button. The system is ready when the laser light is green. Place test material and perform printing to check whether the print effects are clear. When using the 230mm lens, the lens should have a focal length to the material surface of approximately 230mm. The switch off is done in the opposite order. First, the laser is stopped and turned off, then the key is turned off, and finally the main power source is shut down.